G'day, how's it going? Today we're going to do some more exploring. We've just got off the MRT at the Sanam Chai station and we're going to shoot across the Chao Phraya River. So we've come down to this little pier. G'day mate. You got the Regini pier over the road there, but we're heading down to this one here to take us straight across. We get across the river, we're going to walk along and we're heading to a really cool coffee shop that's right on the river. Up over the side. Yeah, thank you. I think it's a 10-baht ride across here, 10 bahts, and you'll meet up over there. There's a cool old house over there. You're going to go along the front, under the bridge, and explore through there and make our way to the Cup & Carb, thank you, and make our way to the coffee shop. So stick around. It's probably got a lot noisy now. All about safety here. You might sit down the back. So we've just got off at the Santa Cruz Pier and we're heading towards the bridges up there. There's that park bridge. I can't remember what it's called. We'll see it on the way through.
So that's the one we sat up on the top?
Yeah. But it's definitely a nice day down here by the river. 33 degrees. Not bad for winter. So if you get the chance, it's a really nice walkway along here and you can stick your nose in and have a look around. I reckon you can get through there. We'll carry on down this way. We're into February and they've still got the Christmas tree up. Nothing like celebrating Christmas for a couple of months. Got your mini 7-Elevens there. Another one here. Yeah, do you want to go have a look? Might duck down here and see where it takes us. It's always interesting down these little alleyways. Oh yeah. I'm not sure we can get through here. Oh yeah. Spotty carb. Hello. Can I? Hello. You're a little cutie, aren't you? This is a nice little quiet area. I'm sure this looked really nice when it was first done. Right, let's see where this takes us. Right, our plan is, I think, to head down this way. And not get run over. This is a nice little neighbourhood. And look at those balustrades up there. How cool is that? Yeah. That would look really good when they were first built. Actually, you can see it very well. Yeah, that would have looked really cool when it was first built. Not sure what that is, fish maybe. This is very cool here, and we're almost at our coffee shop. Oh, they got the lanterns up, getting ready for the Chinese Lunar New Year. And right here is a coffee shop called My Grandparents' House. It's 90 to 100 years old. I'll put the information in the description below. I'll tell you all about it. But it's very cool. So, we'll sit down. Take our shoes off. Little ones are running around. And we'll head inside. Your granny slip-ons.
Yeah.
It's got the old phones. Oh, and it's busy. You're sitting right out here on the Chao Phraya River. We're going to grab a coffee, and Adele's going to surprise me and get something to eat. It's normally sweet, so we'll see if she's got any willpower not to get some sweet stuff. Not sure what we've got here. What did you get? Can't remember.
Pork rolls.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There's little chicken.
Chicken fried balls.
Let's see how they go.
So that's yours.
Well, that was lunch at my grandparents' house.
Yeah, it was nice.
It's nice in there. So now we're heading to a cool park. It's just down the end of this driveway here. So I've just come out of there. It's just around the corner is my grandparents' house, and right here is the Princess Mother Memorial Park. So let's come and have a look. There's trees growing through the fence. It's very peaceful around here, but that park's definitely worth a visit after you've had a bit of lunch from my grandparents' house. But when we were coming in, I spotted something interesting at the end of this alleyway here, so let's go down and see if we can see what it is. I'm not sure if we can get out the end here. We'll soon find out. That looks very nice. Looks like they're restoring it. Now which way can we go? I'll better check the phone. We're going to stick through here and see if we can get right round. Oh, it's a tough life for the cat. A lot of cats we see around here are missing a tail. They've been quite fast enough to get away from the motorbikes. Right, let's see if this takes us out of here. Oh yeah. Move Me. What a great way to travel. Electric tuk-tuks. You just download the Move Me app. You can load it up. Some credit from your credit card, and there's no bargaining. It's just ordered like an Uber or a Grab. Oh, these are new. Bag's 120 baht. It's cheaper than the market prices. Probably directed at locals because I don't think you'll see too many tourists around here. because it's all in Thai. So these little places here. Except for Speedy. The ice delivery. Oh, I think we'll go down this way. Now, we've been through here before, and there's always something that's interesting here.
Hello.
Hello, the turtles there?
Huh?
No, no
Turtle.
Oh, and there. Ah. Not out today. So just over here at the end, here's the Chao Phraya River. Oh, that's an old tree growing up through the building. Tree versus building, and the tree won by the look of it. Well, we'll finish the video here. We had a quick look around, had a bit of lunch at my grandparents' house. We've just got to the Ding Dang Pier, so yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.